the Adani Groups has come out with its own set of disclaimers, and they are also satisfying all individual international investors with additional queries that are arising out of it. And the fact that the FPO, the anchor book, has been fully subscribed despite this report will tell you that investors globally are not are concerned with what is happening, but they have ratified their faith in the company by the fact that they have put their money where their mouth is, right? So what is really happening in the market is that this IPO, FPO that is coming out for 20,000 crores is a very, very large issue, right? For the current market situation or from the standpoint of any public offering that comes. And the timing of the Hindenburg report has been very critical in creating this clouds, gray clouds around the business models of the company. So what has really happened is that the anchor book is catering to the demand, and the Hindenburg short is creating the free fall in the stock price. Had it not been for the FPO, I think this would have been easily taken care of by itself in the market. Now, moving away from the hidden Hindenburg report and looking at individual companies per se, what I would like to state is that if you look at the Adani portfolio of businesses that are listed and the incubating companies, they're all in the infrastructure space, right? Infrastructure businesses are long gestation businesses, and typically the debt to equity ratio is always 70-30. So, 70 is financed by debt, 30 is financed by equity. And if you see many of these businesses, you take the airports business, you take the uh, the data centers, you take the roads business, you take their coal mining operations. All these businesses are in their infancy. And when we are talking of infancy, what do I mean? They have just started returning cash to the company. They started getting profitable and coming back. Uh, and Adani Group has been growing very fast across various areas, and they have managed their growth very well. And for this, the debt that they require is being participated by about 30% by the domestic banks. So, I don't see any concern for the Indian banking sector because they're not overly leveraged as far as the individual group is concerned. And one very important factor that I would like to identify is that nearly 160 foreign institutional investors have subscribed to their debt over various points in time. So what really happens is that every time Adani goes to the market and raises say $500 million, okay, there would be a due diligence of that company which is done, right? And that due diligence would absolutely be exhaustive because different players are coming in at different points of time and they're coming in different entities of the Adani Group. Okay, and all the declarations that the company has made have already been put out. Over the years, whatever allegations have been raised against the Adani groups, these institution investors are cognizant of the fact that these issues are present, and the fact that they're coming and putting in their money
Mr.
into these.
Siddharth Singh.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.